5-day budget-friendly itinerary for your Shimla trip. Day 1, Delhi to Shimla. Mode of travel. 1. Bus. Delhi to Shimla by bus is a budget-friendly option. Himachal Road Transport Corporation (HRTC) buses are available for around 600 rupees to 1,200 rupees, depending on the type of bus. The journey takes about 7 to 9 hours. 2. Train. You can also take a train, Shatabdi Express, from Delhi to Kalka, 500 rupees to 1,000 rupees, and then board the Kalka-Shimla toy train, 200 rupees to 800 rupees, for a scenic ride up to Shimla. This is a bit costlier but offers a unique experience. Accommodation. Budget hotels or guest houses in Shimla offer rooms at 1,000 rupees to 2,000 rupees per night. Some good budget options include 1. Hotel Dreamland, RS1, 200/night 2. Hotel City Palace, RS1, 000/night. Evening Mall Road. After checking in, stroll along Mall Road. It's free, and you can window shop or enjoy local snacks. You can also visit the rich and relax while soaking in the views. Dinner budget-friendly options. Eat at local eateries, like Shaiwala or 1800, with meals costing around 200 rupees to 300 rupees. Day 2, Kufri and Jaku Temple. Morning. Head to Kufri, about 16 kilometers from Shimla, for scenic views and some light adventure. Entry fees for Kufri Fun World, if you choose to visit, are around 300 rupees to 500 rupees per person, for basic activities like go-karting, horse riding, etc. Afternoon. Visit Jaku Temple, which is dedicated to Lord Hanuman. You can either trek up, free, or take a cab for 200 rupees to 300 rupees. Evening. Return to Shimla and explore the Locker Bazaar, great for souvenirs. You can enjoy affordable Himachali snacks such as Sidhu or Chana Magra. Dinner. Visit Cafe Similar Times or Ashiana restaurant for a meal within 300 rupees to 400 rupees. Day 3, day trip to Chail and Solan. Morning. Chail is around 45 kilometers from Shimla and is known for its Chail Palace and the highest cricket ground in the world. You can also visit Chail Wildlife Sanctuary. Entry is free, but if you wish to visit the palace, entry charges are 100 rupees to 200 rupees. Afternoon. After visiting Chail, head to Solan, about 30 kilometers from Chail. Visit Shulini Mata Temple, free entry, and enjoy the local vibes. Evening. Return to Shimla in the evening. Dinner. For an affordable dinner, try Cafe Sol or the lounge. Meals should cost around 300 rupees to 500 rupees. Day 4, Mashobra, Naldihra and Tatapani. Morning. Visit Naldihra, which is known for its golf course. Entry to the golf course is not mandatory unless you're playing, but the views are free. Take a short walk around the area, or enjoy a quiet moment in nature. Afternoon. From Naldihra, head to Mashobra, a peaceful hill station close to Shimla. If you're interested in wildlife, visit Mashobra Wildlife Sanctuary, free entry. Evening. Visit Tatapani, around 300 rupees for a taxi, known for its hot springs, to relax and rejuvenate. It's a free activity, though a nominal fee of 20 rupees to 30 rupees might be charged for using the springs. Dinner. Enjoy a hearty and affordable meal at Cafe to Shimla or the Cafe Similar Times. Day 5, Shimla to Delhi. Morning. Before you leave, visit Summer Hill, a quiet area away from the city crowds. It's great for a peaceful walk or photography. Afternoon. If you still have time, explore Mall Road for some last-minute shopping, including woolens, wooden crafts, and Himachali artifacts. Return journey. Bus/train back to Delhi. You can take a bus, 600 rupees to 1,200 rupees, or train, 500 rupees to 1,000 rupees, back to Delhi in the afternoon or evening. Other places to visit near Shimla, outside the itinerary. Tirthan Valley, approximately 150 kilometers. Tirthan Valley is an offbeat destination known for its tranquil environment, rivers and trekking trails. It's perfect for nature lovers, with a minimal budget. Keola Forest, approximately 20 kilometers, a great spot for nature walks and a quiet day trip. It's free to visit and offers great views of the surrounding forests and mountains. Narkanda, 60 kilometers. Known for skiing in winters, Narkanda is perfect for a peaceful retreat. It's not as crowded as Shimla, making it a serene getaway. Chardhar Peak, 80 kilometers. For adventure seekers, Chardhar Peak offers a challenging trek and magnificent views of the Himalayas. You'll need to pack your own food and water, making it a budget-friendly trek. Sanjoli, approximately 5 kilometers. A quieter area compared to Shimla, ideal for those looking for a less commercialized spot to relax. It's also a great base for hiking. This budget-friendly 5-day Shimla itinerary provides a mix of sightseeing, adventure, and relaxation while maintaining a manageable cost. Enjoy the natural beauty of Shimla and its surroundings without breaking the bank. Subscribe for more such videos and let me know which place you'd like me to create an itinerary for next. Drop your suggestions below.